Hello everyone, welcome to our show. Today I'm going to try pepper chicken dry, and to prepare the masala I've got cinnamon stick, cloves, fennel seeds, whole pepper, cumin seeds and coriander seeds. I'm going to dry roast them and then powder them. Now I'm adding everything in a pan. So now I have roasted them until they turn brown in color. Now I'm going to powder them. So our masala powder is ready, and I've got 2 lbs of chicken breast piece cut into small pieces, and also I've got curry leaves, green chili, ginger garlic paste, green pepper and onion. I've cut it into medium pieces like this, and also split those layers into individual flakes like this. So to begin with, I'm adding oil in the pan, and then adding green chili and curry leaves, and then adding ginger garlic paste and saute for a while. And adding turmeric powder, and then I'm adding our masala. So make sure the heat is on a very low flame, and then saute this for a few minutes. And now I'm adding 2 spoons of curd and saute this for a while. And finally I'm adding salt. So now our base is ready. I'm adding our chicken. Then mix the gravy properly and completely. Now I'm going to close it with the lid, and I'm going to leave it like this for 3 to 4 minutes on a very mild flame. So it's been 4 minutes. Let's see. Okay, good. Yeah, the chicken is emitting a lot of water, which is good. Okay, I'm going to close it again and leave it like this for another 3 minutes. I'm just doing this just to make sure the chicken gets cooked completely. Keep a close eye so that make sure the chicken is not getting fried. Now as you can see, the chicken is releasing a lot of water, so it's okay. I'm still keeping it closed. It's been 15 minutes. I still see there's a lot of water, but still we can open the lid and let's see how our chicken is doing. It's so hot. Okay. Yeah, looks like our chicken is cooked well. Let me taste the gravy and see if we have to make any corrections for salt or spice. So it tastes perfect. So I'm going to keep it open and let all those water drain, and I will keep doing this so that our chicken doesn't get fried. So the water is completely gone now. So I'm adding our onion and green pepper now. So let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Our buddy is eagerly waiting here for pepper chicken. Hi. Just keep stirring it. Make sure it is not getting fried. So it's completely dry now. So I'm going to turn off the heat and then close it with the lid, and let's leave it like this for 5 minutes. Let it get settled down before we start serving. So there's our pepper chicken. Let's try to taste it. Oh, so soft. So soft and juicy. The taste is so perfect. Came out really well. It's a definite thumbs up, guys. Please give it a try, and thanks for watching.